that businesses today are not just shaping the emotions of the customers, but also they are aligning their business strategies and goals with the sustainable development goals. With me, I had my 5 sustainable development goals who will explain how they are linking their emotions with the business of today. So sustainable development goal, can you explain how you are linking with the emotions of the business today?
Under Sustainable Development Goal number 12, which says that we should be more responsible and for the consumption and the production of the good. I will give you an example of H&M company. In 2020, H&M come up with a campaign, Close the Loop, in which the company was asking all the customers to bring back the clothes which they were not using at that time. So, H&M also removed all the barriers from the styles to the brand and the size of the clothes. They asked to customers to bring back the clothes, and they will make the fashion more sustainable way and produce more goods.
Thank you, Sustainable Development Goal 12. So friends, could you link how emotions and sustainable development goals can be linked in a business? So moving to my next sustainable development goal, can you explain how you are linking the emotions with the business of today?
Okay, so businesses that support and connect with women, entrepreneur and consumer not only build their customer base but also build a strong reputation. Businesses that support women empowerment helps them to be successful and also can build a strong reputation around the world. And take an example, Amazon launched a program called Sakeli, where they give women empowerment chance to sell their product online and also give them training and support whenever needed. So these are the SDG goal number 5.
Great. SDG 5 for women empowerment, a great initiative. So next, moving to our next SDG, can you explain how you are emotionally linked with the business of today?
Don't you know how I am linked to this? I am SDG 9.
No, actually I don't know.
And
You have
SDG 9, design and innovation.
Oh, come on, you have to explain that how you are linked to the business.
Last night I was the one who sent you the notification from Zomato.
Oh, sorry, I forgot. Actually, I was ordering from Swiggy. I have a great inclination towards Swiggy. So I don't use
I'm everywhere. You use AI everywhere. I was there.
Okay, for sure. I will try. Friends, I will try. And I think you should also try Zomato for once. Great initiative. Well, next, moving to our next SDG, can you explain how you are linking my emotions or my friends' emotions with the business of today?
Providing good economic opportunities towards it.
Great. Tata namak देश का नमक और trust. Great SDG. Wow. Nice. So next, coming to our SDG number next. So will you explain how your emotions are linked with the business?
I will start with the example. How primal finance how pyramid finance step into inclusion, not just only by documents, but how it created a customer base in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities, expanded its customer base to Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities, giving affordable credit to low and mid income segments, providing loans, home loans, loans on properties, and personal loans.
Inclusion, very good. Fostering inclusion in business aligns with SDGs. Great initiative.
So if you are not able to understand what we are saying, so here is some example, some real life example which will help you to relate with how we are linking emotions in business. So let's see.
Have a glass.
जब मैगी पर सवाल उठे टीवी पे, अखबारों में, आस पड़ोस में, तो मुझे लगा ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है। मेरी माँ ने तो मुझे बचपन से मैगी खिलाई है और मैंने भी खिलाई अपने बच्चों को, तो दो माएँ गलत थी। फिर पता चला कि हर टेस्ट में यही निकला है, सब ठीक है हमारी मैगी में। अच्छा लगा। मैं और मेरी माँ दोनों सही थे।
Wear brown shoes after 6. Wear a hat indoors. Wear a short skirt after 40. Wear a short skirt if you're a man. Try too hard. Don't try at all. Be old. Be new. There are no rules in fashion but one. Recycle your clothes.
आपने तो यहाँ घर बना दिया,
किराए पे रहता हूँ तो हिस्से ही सजा दिया।
तो अपना घर क्यों नहीं लेते?
कागज कम है ना, लोन कौन देगा? यस, काम मेरा है तो वेटिंग चार्ज आपको क्यों?
होम लोन के लिए कुछ कागज ही कम है ना? आइए बात करते हैं। पिरामल फाइनेंस हम पैसे से ज्यादा नियत देखते हैं।
क्या बात है गुरदीप पाजी, हैं? बड़े जोर शोर से बिक रही है आपकी मिठाइयाँ। ये तो सब बच्चों की मेहनत है जी। वो इंटरनेट नहीं होता, इंटरनेट उस पे डाल दिया बिजनेस को। बस बड़े होनहार हो गए आपके बेटे। बेटे नहीं जी, बेटियां। शो दिशा
गुरदेव सिंह एंड डॉटर्स
चंगा है। कामयाबी न लड़का देखती है न लड़की, कामयाबी सिर्फ सोच देखती है। स्टार प्लस नई सोच।
तो मुझे पकोड़े खाने आ रहे हैं।
क्या? बी से बैंगन, बलून, बनाना, बेसन।
Whatever's on your mind, get it in 10 minutes on Swiggy Instamart.
So we can see how businesses are running global. Today businesses are not just because of profit, but because of purpose. And the purpose is SDGs. So let's join hands together and work for the global cause. Thank you.